Part two, guys. So, what happened since the last time? We changed the oil, did a bunch of other stuff. Kawasaki oil filter got put in it, just in case you need the part number. That's it right there. It was actually pretty reasonable. Fuel filter got replaced, and we also did a quantum fuel pump. Probably have the part number for that in here too. Did a set of plugs. Ignition advancer got put in. This actually said that it was for 91 and 92 ZX7s. It actually fit anyway. So that's a Vance & Hines part number. It's a pretty clean piece. Went right in. It does run better with it. I was talking before about the jet kit I got. It's a Six Sigma jet kit. There's their .com. Don't know if they're still in business or not, but anyways, it came with quite a few different jets and some other stuff. So that really helped it. So much so that it's very predictable now. We're not going to do the FCR carburetors like we were talking about. Brand new tire, was able to get nice heat and wear all the way out to the edge, and of course to the other edge. So it's got a little tiny bit of feathering on the leading edge, so we're going to make a couple little adjustments to the dampener, the rear dampener, but other than that, tire sticks well. I mean, it's super soft still. Anyways, works great with the short pipe. It's completely cold start. I mean, you know, got my hand in there on the pipe. There's no pressure in the cooling system, so we'll do that. I played around with lever adjustments. Turns out I kind of do like those levers, but I do want to get rid of the double bubble. So if anybody wants to trade one out or something, this one's super clean. No issues with it at all. I'd trade for a clear one. I changed all the coolant out. If you're gonna do an e-coolant instead, it takes 2.5 of these, so that's a $75 change, almost 3, I think. What else did we do? I left off the air intakes. I mean, they're worth a 3% horsepower increase at 130 miles an hour plus, and I'm not really going to be at 130 plus all the time. So I did find a place that makes them in carbon. There's actually a couple. They're special order, but they do make them. Like 175 lira or something like that. We're in California. I don't know what that means. It's probably 200 bucks. So what else can I say about this? Yeah, I just didn't like the silencer and the extra weight and stuff. It's probably 3 or 4 pounds. You replace it. That one alone is probably 2 to 3 pounds. So you're going to get about a 4-pound savings. What else did I do to this bike? When I first got it, the rear seat was cracked. So these are redone in glove leather. You don't slide around on them. They don't wear out as soon as suede. Put another grip cover on it. That's about it. Like I said, flush the cooling system, adjust the chain, lined up the rear tire, got it registered. Like I said, quantum fuel pump was put in. That's kind of hiding in there, right there. Also doing the fuel hoses. The fuel hoses were worn out on this. So let's do a cold start. Let's climb over it just in case anything stupid happens. All right, fuel. Hold on, fuel. I haven't started this bike in probably a week. Sorry about that, guys. We might need to choke it. Maybe not. It's a little cold. Might idle on its own. Yeah, it'll idle on its own. I mean, it's 75 degrees here in California, so, and we're second day of summer. What else can I tell you about this bike that we did? Oh, it's got tail light eliminators, or not tail light. It's got blinker eliminators. Let's get away from the exhaust. Front blinkers were moved into these. These are kind of older, so maybe they'll get replaced with something clear and a little more modern. In the rear, I'll walk around in the rear and turn it on. It's got, they're inside the tail light. So hold on, let's look at that. right, that's it for right now, guys. Stay tuned. What do I got going on? I just bought another bike for my daughter last night, who decided she wanted to ride, so I'll do a little separate video on that. It's this KX 100. And I was searching around for months and just came up with this one, smoking deal. So, all right, stay tuned. We'll catch one on this, and then, as you guys know, the dream build on that one, and then the maintenance repair on the other one. And then we got a KX on the other, 250 KX on the other side we got to work on. All right, guys, subscribe, like, leave comments. And like I said, it's projects. We got a lot of crap to work on. This is only one garage.